5 common habits that are secretly harming your skin. Make sure you treat your skin well so it looks good. However, some daily habits you may not be aware of can cause long-term damage. Know which habits you should change to improve your complexion. If healthy, glowing skin is at the top of your beauty priorities, you need to kiss these bad habits goodbye. 1. Skipping on SPF. Sun damage doesn't discriminate. It can happen all year round, affects all skin types, and the damage builds up each year. If you want to protect your skin from getting wrinkled, saggy and unevenly pigmented, SPF should be a non-negotiable part of your daily skincare routine. Choose a broad-spectrum formula that includes protection against UVB, UVA and HEV radiation. 2. Do you smoke? Nicotine reduces blood flow to your skin, which means it doesn't get enough oxygen and nutrients. And the chemicals in tobacco damage the collagen and elastin proteins that give your skin structure. A smoker's skin is thin, dull, more wrinkled, and less able to heal, says by a researcher. Plus, years of puckering your lips to hold a cigarette or squinting your eyes to keep out smoke may deepen lines and lead to more wrinkles in those areas. While antioxidants like vitamins A and C can ease some of the damage, the only surefire fix is to quit for good. 3. Eating too much junk food. Burgers and chips once in a while is not so bad, right? There is nothing. But if you're a junk food junkie or have a monster sweet tooth, you are damaging your skin. Blood sugar levels spike when you consume refined carbohydrates, which trigger a surge of insulin. This increases breakouts and irritation due to hormonal imbalances caused by excess insulin. Take full advantage of the skin-friendly properties of antioxidants in your diet and load up on them. 4. Squeezing pimples. There's something irresistible about squeezing a spot out of existence. If you don't want to end up with acne, hyperpigmentation or scarring, you should avoid picking your pimples. When you squeeze zits, you just push out bacteria and transfer more germs, and cause inflammation, irritation and scarring. 5. Over-exfoliating. Going overboard with exfoliation, physical and chemical, does more harm than good to your skin. Scrubbing too hard and too often can damage the protective barrier of your skin and hinder its ability to retain moisture. Watch your skin for the sneaky signs of over-exfoliation and scrub no more than 3 times per week. Make sure you like and leave your comments. Share with your friends for more recipes and tips. Subscribe to this channel.